Alright, starting this again. I had a call from a customer about them dropping their phone into their toilet, which is very convenient. That's sarcasm, by the way. Yeah, they dropped their phone into the toilet, and even when I sell my phones, I sell them with a 3-month warranty. But things like dropping your phone into a toilet or breaking your screen are not covered by that warranty. It's internal issues. Like, for instance, your network isn't working, or, you know, if you do damage to the phone, accidental or not, that is essentially your fault, whether it's an accident or not. So those aren't covered by internal issues, because, I didn't drop the phone in the toilet before I sold you the phone. But yeah, she's gonna come in and I'm gonna take a look at it. But anyway, back to my repair. I thought it would delete the video space that I had, which it didn't, so that's good, because I wasn't gonna record me doing this a second time, because honestly I don't even want to do it the first time. I just don't like doing iPhones or iPhone 4s. iPhone 5s, 6s, they're great. I like them. But the 4s, just, my God. Could they get any more complicated? But that's why Moore's Law exists. Every 2 years, well, more estimatedly 18 months is what the scientific community says, technology expands or doubles every 18 months, which is 6 months shy of 2 years, which is what Moore's Law was originally stated as. So that just means that the singularity is a possibility the further we increase our technology. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Apparently, okay, there it is. I was looking for that last screw. Alright, now, use our little pry tool here. And it's usually adhesive down. So you want to get under there and kind of remove it. Alright, there we go. Come on, come on. Well, I guess we'll have to use the heat gun here. Whew, that is hot. You got to be careful when taking this out because you have to watch for these LCD cables, or the LCD and digitizer cables. And then on top of that, since the screen is cracked on the front, most likely going to be taking some glass with you, because since it's adhesive down, you're going to be getting some of that, and that's just never fun. I told them it could be 30 minutes or it could be an hour, depending on how complicated this iPhone wants to be. Any other phone I can give you a reliable time. This one, oh no. They just don't like to be cooperative. And I do kind of talk to the phones sometimes. It's not a crazy thing, I don't think. It's kind of like I see electronics as children, and I talk to them as such. I've actually been following this guy on YouTube. It actually reminds me a lot of myself. His name is Louise. Crap, I forgot his last name. I just watch his channel. It's very entertaining, educational as well, and he brings up a lot of valid points.